Hello students, today I am going to explain you few rules regarding active and passive. So basic rule of active and passive. See the example here, passive form of verb, be verb plus past participle form of the main verb. See the example I have written, Ritu writes a book. It's in present tense. So Ritu here is subject, a book object. Now in passive form, object will become subject and subject will become object and verb will be changed with the help of be verb. Just see the example again. So here the passive form will be a book is written by Ritu. Is be verb and past participle form of the main verb write is written. So the sentence Ritu writes a book is changed to passive and it will changed into a book is written by Ritu. Now rules. First rule we have to keep in mind while doing active and passive, subject verb agreement. What is subject verb agreement? Verb will follow the subject. If the subject is singular number, verb will also be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb also will be plural form, in plural form. Now see the first example, Reshab writes a story. Reshab is singular number subject, a story is also singular number. So the verb here is singular writes, and if we make it passive, it will be a story is written by Reshab. Why is? Because a story is singular number, so we will take be verb in its singular form, which is in present tense. A story is written by Reshab. Now see here again another example. I have written two examples to clear your doubt. Reshab writes stories. Now in passive form, here stories, object is plural. So object will become subject in passive. So stories are written by Reshab. Why it is are? Because story is plural number, so I have to take help of plural be verb, and in present form the be verb in plural form is are. So the total sentence, stories are written by Reshab. It is in passive form. Now the most important thing to know about is that tense remains the same in active and passive. Though the form gets changed, but tense remains the same. Now see, in present indefinite form, I have written an example. In active, my mother looks after my pet. In passive, it will change to, as it is present tense, so it will remain in the simple present tense or present indefinite. My pet is looked after by my mother. So is here present tense and be verbs. To make it or change it to passive form, my mother looks present indefinite, so we will take help of be verb in present tense in singular number is, and it is my pet is looked after by my mother. By is additional, to make it, it's added to make the sentence into passive form. Next see present continuous. What is the sentence pattern of present continuous? Be verb plus ing. My mother is looking after my pet. Is looking is continuous form, so it will be changed to passive in this way. My pet is being looked after by my mother. Now see, why being? Because for ing in passive form we need to add being. My pet is being looked after by my mother. Now see the third sentence in present perfect form. My mother has looked after my pet. Has looked after is in present perfect form. So what will be its passive pattern? My pet has been looked after by my mother. So in passive form we have to add one more word, that is been, then it will be the past participle form of the main verb, that is looked, and then we have to add by. Again I am going back to the first active form. My mother has looked after my pet will change to my pet has been looked after by my mother. And in present perfect continuous tense, the sentence will be my mother has been looking after my pet. But keep it in mind, in passive we cannot make passive form of present perfect continuous tense. So students, I like to request you to go back again to your book, and I have shared all the rules in the PDF. Read the rules again and go through this presentation once again. If there is any doubt, kindly text me. Thank you students.